Cadaghi Trap tutorial. 2 litre Pepsi bottle. You want to remove the top and neck, place that to the side. What we're after is the centre piece of plastic of the bottle. So we remove the top part, like so, cut down to the line here at the bottom, and cut the bottom off. Like so. Now what you want is a cylinder, plastic cylinder. That's way too big, but this size bottle in particular, from experience, I know can give me 2 sheets of plastic which are needed to make the main or the structure of the Cadaghi Trap, which is basically you're trying to replicate similar size and shape to a toilet roll. Okay, once you've done that, you want to roughly find the center, place down your bottle top and neck, and roughly trace around it. Doesn't have to be precise. Then, with sharp scissors, you want to carefully pierce the center and cut radial lines out to that mark, like the spokes of a tire. This is where the bottle neck excuse me, will be pushed through. Okay, so you want to get the inside of the bottle and the top of the neck and push through the insert. This is a bit fiddly. Might take a couple of goes. But you want to push it all the way past the ring. This part. Alright. And when you have cut the bottle properly, you leave enough space here. There's a little bit of a funnel, a flange, that it won't pull past. Not very hard. Now, what I do for the next step is find my tape. Now I hold it around toilet paper roll. Put down the tape like so. Repeat for the reverse side. Tape down all the way around. Look at that. Now that is the basis of the trap. Next step is to put in the husk. Now, this is just a matter of filling in 2 sides. Here's one I prepared earlier. It's a bit smaller. Husk goes in one side, there, completes the ring. You want the same thing on the other side, but because there's a void in the middle, you want to put a little section, like a little doormat there. And then the final part of the fibre, or the coir. So you have fully enclosed ring, and then a gap here as a viewing window so you can see if the entrance is blocked or not. Then it's just a matter of cutting your toilet paper roll and placing it over the trap to exclude light. You can do a better job than I've done. That's just a rough job. Then the next step is how to attach it. My entrance, I use 22mm spade bits, and this is 21mm, so it fits in there nice and snug. But if you've got a smaller entrance like that of an irrigation hose, the easiest thing to do is to melt a hole, insert that, and then screw your cap on, bung that in your hive, and she's right to go. Hope that was simple enough and you all are able to follow my instructions if need be. Thank you.